for the friendship, and for the unforgettable memories we have created together. Congratulations to my fellow graduates. Today, as we gather to celebrate this special moment, I am humbled and privileged to stand before you to share this message entitled A Voice for the Voiceless. A Voice for the Voiceless. It is inspired by the powerful words of Proverbs chapter 31, verses 8 to 9. Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the rights of all who are destitute. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the poor and needy. As we celebrate our graduation today, we recognize that this achievement is not just for ourselves. It is also for our families, for our community, and most importantly, for those whose voices have been silenced by hardship, fear, and oppression. Many of us here know what it means to feel unheard. Living in a refugee camp, we have faced struggles, displacement from our homeland, separation from our loved one, and the daily struggle for survivors. We have felt invisible to the world, as if our pain and hopes are only whisper in the wind. But let me remind you, God sees us, He hears us, and through His grace, He has given us not only the strength to endure, but also the voice to speak. Graduates, our education is more than just knowledge. It is a gift and a responsibility. We did not study just to pass the exam or to receive certificates. We studied to equip ourselves to be voice for those who cannot speak. Our younger siblings who dream of a better future, the elderly who long for their homeland, and the countless others who have been silenced by injustice. Being a voice for the voiceless means standing up for the oppressed, sharing the stories of our people, and preserving our current identity. It means using our words to spread hope and our action to fight for justice. Even when the world seems deaf to our cries, we must continue to speak because silence will never bring a positive change. Maya Angelou once said, "There is no greater agony than burying an untold story inside you. Now is the time to listen to the silent stories and to bring those voices to light." Even if our individual efforts seem small, a single voice can make a difference. And when we raise our voice against injustice, we create a powerful, collective force for change that we desire. Just as little drops of water make the mighty ocean, our combined efforts can create a lasting impact. Alone, we may feel like a single drop, but together, we are an unstoppable wave. When we stand united for the rights of all, we can overcome injustice and build a better future. But speaking up does not always mean shouting. Occasionally, it means listening. Listening to the pains of others, understanding their struggles, and offering hands of compassion. Our voice will be strongest when they are rooted in faith, love, and unity. Starting today, as we step forward from this graduation, let us remember that our voice has power. Let us feel with courage for the outcast, pray with faith for people running from the wall, and act with purpose for the future generations. I believe that though we are in a refugee camp, our voice will not be confined by this fence. They will rise beyond borders and echo loudly into the world, proclaiming our hope, our strength, and our unyielding spirit. May we move forward with courage, addressing our responsibility to stand for the voiceless and working toward a just and compassionate world. Thank you, and congratulations once again to the graduating class. May God bless each one of you, and may He guide us all as we strive to become voice for the voiceless.